Welcome to our channel. If you want to beat chronic fatigue and restore your energy levels, follow these comprehensive steps. Step 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time daily to regulate your body's circadian rhythm. Step 2. Improve your diet by eating regular, balanced meals with plenty of whole foods, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates to maintain steady energy. Step 3. Stay well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day, as dehydration can contribute to fatigue. Step 4. Start gentle exercise even if you feel tired, beginning with short walks and gradually increasing duration to boost energy over time. Step 5. Manage stress through relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or progressive muscle relaxation. Step 6. Check for underlying medical conditions with your healthcare provider, as fatigue can be a symptom of thyroid problems, anemia, or other issues. Step 7. Limit caffeine and avoid using it late in the day, as it can disrupt sleep quality and create an energy crash cycle. Step 8. Take strategic rest breaks throughout your day and pace yourself to avoid overexertion while gradually building stamina. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.